In today's video, we're taking a look at how to clean your glass stovetop easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So today, you woke up looking at your stove. You've been putting that cleaning job off for a while, and it passed noticeable long time ago. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we're gonna help you not lose the kingdom. So this technique is gonna work no matter how long the gunk and grime, grease have been stuck on that glass for. We're gonna show you 3 ways on how to do it, from the everyday after cooking to all the way stuck on grime for years. So no matter if you went through all the techniques, the most important one is maintenance, and that's the first one that we're taking a look at today. So every time after cooking, you want to clean it. The easiest way to clean it is just using soap and paper towels or a microfiber cloth. A pro tip: if you wait until the stove gets completely cold, just like a grill, the food is gonna get stuck on the glass top and be harder to remove. But as a wise man said, don't place your hand on the hot stove. You don't want to do this right after cooking, but you want to do this before it completely cools off. But if it's already cooled off, you can still use the same technique. It's just gonna be harder for sugars or any stuck on grease to remove. And if you notice, it's an easy clean. Just spraying it with some vinegar using paper towels or a microfiber cloth, you'll get the job done. But let's say you sent your first army and they weren't able to complete the task. We can take this to a second level, and this is where we pull out our baking soda and splash it all around. All of the techniques shown today can be used for individual heating plates or for the whole glass. After we cover the affected area, then we want to take a lemon or lime and sprinkle it all over the baking soda. If you don't have a lemon or lime, you can also use vinegar. You'll see the reaction once the liquid hits the baking soda. We let that rest for about 15 minutes and let the soldiers get to work. After the time is up, we can use a sponge on the non-abrasive side or a non-abrasive sponge, paper towels or a microfiber cloth, and remove the grease, baking soda, and liquid off that stove. But let's say you want to use the same technique, but you don't have any lemons or lime or vinegar, but you do have baking soda. Don't worry, we'll make lemonade without lemons or lime. We're going to use the same technique, sprinkling baking soda all over the glass top. And what we're gonna do, either using towels or kitchen paper towels, we are gonna wet them with warm water. We cover the stove with the wet, warm towels and let them rest for 15 minutes. And just like the combination of the baking soda and the acid, the warm water and the baking soda are gonna help loosen any stuck on grime, grease, dirt off the glass top. And to be able to do that, we'll let it rest for 15 minutes. And remember, the longer you let it rest, the more time it has to fight on. After the time is up, we want to remove all the baking soda and all the dirt, grease, and grime off the glass top. And whenever you use one of these techniques, you always want to end with the maintenance round, which is either soap or vinegar spray to finish off the cleaning. But let's say you gave the stove a hard fight and you even played dirty by poking the eyes, low blows, and hit in back of the head. Don't worry, with this technique you'll remove everything. And this especially works with any rings of death or grease rings or Lord of the Rings or any kind of ring or any dirt, grease, grime, or even candy that you have stuck on your glass top. The first thing that we want to do is take our dish soap and put it all around the affected area. And this is the part of the video where we say the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to die. That's why when using sharp objects, safety is the #1 thing. So considering wearing gloves is the way to go. So we basically take out our samurai sword or blade, place it at an angle, and with the help of the soap, we basically slide through the glass top, removing any stuck on grime. You always want to do this slowly because fingers are always important, and you want to use these type of blades because these are not going to scratch your glass top. Using a floor scraper can scratch your glass top, but they do have covers for this one. We'll leave links on the description, and that makes the job a lot easier. Once you feel you remove all the dirt, we can go ahead and wipe off with paper towels or using a microfiber cloth. If you notice you miss some spots, you can always repeat the process. Now that you showed that stove who remains on the throne, the king, queen, both or none of this castle, you can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.